Hi everyone, and welcome to my online video tutorials on how to create your own website. Today I'm going to make a short video to help you understand what web hosting is. If you're new to creating a website, it might get a little bit confusing. Therefore, I'm going to create this short video to help you understand the process and requirements for your new website. In order to create a new website, you will need domain name, the actual website, and the hosting provider. The way I like to explain this is to imagine your house. The land on which your house is built on is hosting. And basically what that is, web hosts are companies that rent out their servers to host your website on the internet. Once the hosting company hosts your website, anyone can access it by typing in your web address in their web browser. And when they do this, their device will connect to the server your website is hosted on. Your house is the actual website. It's just a page or number of pages on the web that contains all your data, all your information, everything they will put on your website. And your street address is your domain name. For example, google.com, wikipedia.org, bbc.co.uk. And there we are. A quick explanation on what web hosting is and what you'll need in order to create a new website. If you would like to see a more in-depth tutorial on how to build a new website from scratch, please check the link in the description, and I will see you in my next video.